If you're starting a business or trying to grow one, there's one tool that can dramatically increase your chances of success. And that tool is a strong business plan. A winning business plan is more than just paperwork. It's a roadmap that helps you clarify your vision, attract investors, and guide your decisions as your business grows. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a winning business plan step by step. And if you're serious about building a successful business, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and funding. Step 1. Define your vision. Every great business plan starts with a clear vision. Ask yourself, what problem does my business solve? Who are my customers? Why does my business exist? This is where you write your mission statement and explain the purpose of your company. The clearer your vision is, the easier it will be for others to understand and support your business. Step 2. Identify your target market. The next step is understanding who your customers are. Many businesses fail because they try to serve everyone. Instead, focus on identifying your ideal customer, their biggest problems, how your product or service solves those problems. When investors read your business plan, they want to see that you truly understand the market you're entering. Step 3. Outline your business model. Now it's time to explain how your business will actually make money. Your business model should clearly answer, what are you selling? How will customers buy from you? What will your pricing structure look like? This section should also include your revenue streams and how your company plans to grow over time. Step 4. Create a marketing strategy. Even the best business ideas fail without marketing. Your business plan should include a strategy for how customers will find you. This could include social media marketing, online advertising, strategic partnerships, referral programs. A strong marketing plan shows investors that you're not just building a business. You're building a system to attract customers consistently. Step 5. Build your financial plan. This is one of the most important parts of your business plan. Your financial section should include startup costs, projected revenue expenses, profit expectations. Investors want to see that you understand the financial side of running a business. Even simple projections can help show that your idea is realistic and scalable. A winning business plan doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to clearly show your vision, your market, your strategy, and your financial plan. When you take the time to build a strong business plan, you give your business a much better chance of success. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more insights on building and funding successful businesses. And I'll see you in the next video.